Hey everyone, it's Neri here. Today, I can't wait to take you all on a virtual journey to Boracay, one of my favorite spots on earth. From pristine white sand beaches to crystal clear turquoise waters, Boracay is every bit the tropical dream. So, sit back, relax, and get ready for some Boracay fun. First up, we're hitting up Boracay's crown jewel, White Beach. This incredible stretch of sand is what dreams are made of. Imagine powder soft white sand and crystal clear turquoise waters that sparkle under the sun. For those who are serious about water sports, White Beach has everything from jet skiing and parasailing to swimming and tanning. Don't forget to catch the magical sunset. It paints the sky in the most vibrant hues you'll ever see. Next, we're going to explore the mall, the heart of Boracay. This bustling hub is a must-visit for shopaholics and foodies alike. Browse through stalls selling everything from souvenirs and beachwear to local crafts and artwork. And when a case of hunger arises, the mall offers an extensive array of dining options to satisfy every craving. From fresh seafood restaurants to cozy cafes, your taste buds are in for a culinary adventure. As the sun sets, the mall transforms into a lively hub for nightlife. Grab a drink and enjoy the stunning sunset over the horizon. Greetings, thrill seekers and lovers of water sports. Bulabog Beach is where it's at. This windswept paradise is known as the adventure capital of Boracay. Get ready to feel the wind in your hair and the adrenaline pumping through your veins. From kite surfing and windsurfing to stand-up paddleboarding and kayaking, there's undoubtedly never a dull moment at Bulabog Beach. Even if you're a beginner, experienced instructors are more than happy to show you the ropes. The beach itself is stunning with golden sand and clear blue waters. Enjoy the beautiful scenery and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Explore Crystal Cove Island, a hidden gem in Boracay. This enchanting spot is a treasure trove of natural beauty and adventure. With its stunning caves and crystal clear waters, it's a must-visit for any traveler seeking a unique experience. Imagine snorkeling through vibrant marine life, exploring the mystical coves, and soaking in the breathtaking views from every angle. The island offers a perfect blend of excitement and tranquility, making it an unforgettable destination. Don't miss out on this adventure! Crystal Cove Island awaits your discovery. After all the excitement, it's time to unwind and embrace the tranquility at Puka Shell Beach. This hidden gem is a true escape from the crowds, offering a serene and secluded slice of paradise. Imagine pure blue waters, gorgeous puka shells scattered across the impeccable white beach, and flourishing greenery swaying gently in the breeze. Spend your day swimming, strolling along the shore, collecting unique puka shells, or simply relaxing under the shade of a palm tree with a good book. The serene atmosphere of the breathtaking Puka Shell Beach will genuinely calm your spirit and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. If you're lucky, you might even spot some starfish or other marine life while snorkeling in the clear waters. And that wraps up our Boracay adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this virtual tour of this stunning island paradise. If you're planning a trip to Boracay, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.